Okay, this video is for Unit 8 Worksheet 5, and we're talking about kinetic energy and potential energy. And it's actually gravitational potential energy uh, because it can fall. The formulas for kinetic energy is 1/2 mv squared. M is the mass, and that'll be in kilograms. V is the velocity, and it'll be in meters per second. The gravitational potential energy is going to be mgh, and m is the mass, and it will be in kilograms. G is the gravitational constant, 9.8 meters per second. Or this, a lot of times, is the weight of the object, and that will be in newtons times the height. So most of the time, it's going to be the weight of the object in newtons times the height. So number one, you serve a volleyball with a mass of 21 kilograms. And we're just going to highlight that because that's going to be important. I'll bold it for now. The ball leaves your hand with a speed of 30 meters per second. That's important. The ball has, now can it drop or is it moving? If it can drop, it's gravitational potential energy. If it's moving, it is kinetic energy. So we are going to say Ke. Calculate it. So this isn't the easiest being typed. So I'm going to say Ke is equal to 1/2 mv v, just because I'm not going to take the time to do this squared. So Ke is equal to 1/2 times the mass, which is 2.1, times the velocity, which is 30, times 30. And we are then going to say Ke is equal to 0.5 times 2.1 times 30 times 30, and I get 945. And that is going to be labeled in joules, or J. So that's an example of kinetic energy. Number two, a baby carriage is sitting on top of the hill that has a height of 21 meters high. That's important. The carriage with the baby weighs 12 newtons. That's important. The baby has, well, it can fall. So if it can fall, it has gravitational potential energy or just potential energy. Calculate it. So PE is equal to, I'm going to say WH for the weight times the height. And PE is equal to the weight of 12 times the height of 21. And if we take 12 times 21, that is going to give us 252 joules. Okay. I'm not expecting you to type this out. You can scratch paper it. Just make sure that you can do these problems as we go. Okay. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.